Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick update because overall throughout the day, not much happened. The altcoins have been selling off a little bit. Nothing major for cryptos, but they are starting to retrace a bit. While Bitcoin again is very, very resilient. Bitcoin just doesn't want to give up. And so yeah, what can I say? Bitcoin is still in the range. All options still on the table. I'm slightly leaning here towards the idea of a triangle, of course. We've been talking about that triangle mainly, A, B, C, D, E. The E wave could be in, could go a little lower, or the triangle, which is the white wave count, shouldn't do, is to break below the low of this C wave. So we want to avoid a break below $33,400. Against that level, the focus could be on higher. However, it's not high confidence because there are other corrective patterns that could play out here. For example, as highlighted in orange, a WXY structure, which would just reset this way for a little lower. Yeah, as I said, if we go down lower and break below this C wave low, then I will likely see this as a wave 4, larger degree wave 4. Until then, another extension in wave 3 is still favored. But yeah, it's not crystal clear. It could also be that the wave 5 has already started, but then it's not very evident at this stage. So important is if we have a triangle pattern like this one, there are two stages of confirmation to understand that it finished. The first stage of confirmation is a break beyond the D wave high in this case. That's at $34,870. That's just, yeah, the first level of confirmation, you could say. The second level of confirmation will be a break above the B wave high at 35,130. So the break above the D wave is basically, yeah, you could say a suggestion that the wave 5 has started. And the break above the B wave high is then the confirmation. Which again, confirmation doesn't mean guarantee, but well, it is a guarantee that the triangle is then basically broken. If it then really rallies, that's a different question, but at least it increases the probabilities, right? See, these triangles often turn into something else in the crypto market. I can tell you that the move off the highs is certainly not bearish, at least. It doesn't look like it. We have very corrective wave structures, a lot of overlapping price action. So it's not impulsive to the downside. On the other hand, it's not impulsive to the upside. So we continue to be in the range. I would not rule out that the E wave resets a little lower. But again, it's sort of bound by the low of the C wave. So that must not be taken out to the downside. So yeah, and if we break below that low of the C wave, then it's likely the orange wave count, which I'm counting as WXY structure. And in the Y wave, we have the A, B, C. And all the C wave shouldn't do really. Well, shouldn't say that. So the C wave really can go down quite a bit. And as you know, when we talk about the different wave degrees here, just technically, this circle wave 4 could reset a little lower. But for me, I mean, it would just get quite massive, this wave 4, also in time and duration, if we reset this C wave lower. So for this particular wave degree, that's what I want to say, it would be quite large. I would then assume larger wave 4 is unfolding, which could technically stretch out all the way down to 29,450. It would be a little bit too low really for this particular pattern, but my view is that I will turn bearish below 29,450, but already below 30,510, which is the 50% retracement level. I would get some concerns about the continuation. And therefore, this will be my first warning level, 30,510. Until then, I'm not going to be worried, but below 30,510, I'm going to get worried. I mean, what does it mean worried? I'm just going to get worried about this wave count, basically. Okay, so that's when I start to think something different might be going on. But until then, trend continuation is favored, no change, consolidation on a pretty high level, looks like a triangle, adheres to all rules of a triangle, but to complete the triangle and to confirm it, it essentially needs to break out. And at the moment, it's just moving sideways. Yeah, that's my update about BTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.